In this video, we will talk about ways to use your cover letter to introduce yourself to an employer. The first paragraph of a cover letter must include a statement of application, applying for a job, the specific title of the job opening, and your source of information. This is the part of the letter in which applicants show their interest in the position. Remember that the opening paragraph also needs to get the employer's attention. Let's look at an example job seeker, Beth, who is applying for a position as an international student advisor. In the opening paragraph of her cover letter, Beth starts by explaining that she read an article and the job advertisement in a newspaper, the Austin Times. She puts this information in the first sentence. After mentioning where she saw the advertisement, her second sentence gives a clear statement of application with the title of the job opening. In the last sentence of this paragraph, Beth highlights or focuses on her education and area of specialization. This is a short paragraph, but it tells an employer some important information about her. She knows about the student population, and her education makes her a good match for the position. There are many ways to write an opening paragraph. Each writer organizes and explains ideas differently with their own personal style. Let's look at another example from Reading 1, Tomoko's cover letter. Like Beth, Tomoko begins with the source of her information. She read about the job opening for an administrative assistant in the Seattle Times. Tomoko chooses a more indirect approach by saying that she read about a job opening and then gives the job title. The next sentence expresses her interest in the position because she shows that she understands the company's need and that she is qualified to help them. In her last sentence, she chooses to highlight her language skills, work experience, and office skills. Again, this is a short paragraph, but it tells the employer that the applicant knows something about the company and that she has skills to help the company. Job postings are not only found in newspapers nowadays. Sometimes job seekers mention the source of the information in the first sentence of the opening paragraph, especially if it is through a personal reference. If the source of information is a person or a website, the job applicant might write something like this. 1. At the XYZ regional conference, your colleague Janie Quinn told me about the job opening for an executive assistant. 2. I am applying for the position of administrative assistant announced on the irongate.com website. In summary, we've looked at the opening paragraph of a cover letter. This paragraph serves as the introduction to the applicant and must include a statement of application, the specific title of the job opening, and the source of information. Some job seekers choose to briefly write about their education, skills, or experience at the end as a connection to the next paragraph. In the next video, we'll take a look at cover letter paragraph 2, highlighting your skills in the cover letter.